Yo, welcome back to another video. Just drinking Coke on a platform one, not from this venue, we should go to. Too expensive. There's a hate shit. My train is arriving in like 2 minutes. This Coke tastes nice. I already drank half of it. Damn. It's just a quick video explaining why I didn't have a post already this afternoon. I had music at school. Drums, yay. Yeah, here comes the train. Well, my train, I should say. A62. Nice. City Circle service via Town Hall. I'll be staying on the train going around, so yeah. We'll be doing a live stream. Yay. Up and down. Up. Down.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Hold on, stop. He's got people. Yeah. Let's go to the front. I'll cut one second.
Maybe his brother was so lost. One day said Yusuf Eden was skinny. And he's a
You're right.
twin.
I'm not gonna lie, my brother was killed by better.
Please join the gap.
I ran straight up, isn't it?